Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to read you a story called Plants We Eat and How They Grow. And this story is by Carrie Cornell. Let's look at the cover of this story. Does it look like it might be a fiction fake book or a nonfiction real book? What gives you that clue? I think this is going to be a nonfiction book because these look like photographs of real tomatoes. Let's read and find out. Plants We Eat and How They Grow by Carrie Cornell. Think about what you ate for dinner last night. Did you have any plants? We eat many different parts of plants. We eat the roots, stems, leaves, flowers, seeds, and fruits of some plants. What part of the plant did you eat? Let's think about it. Roots. We eat roots. Carrots sprout from seeds planted in moist soil. Above ground, we see tiny green leaves, but we eat the roots of the carrot that grow underneath. We wash away the dirt, peel and slice the carrots, and eat them. Sometimes we cook them. Did you have any carrots last night or yesterday? I did. Beets are another plant that we eat. We can eat the beet leaves that grow above the soil, and we can eat the roots that grow under the soil. When beets are ready to pick, their red root tops push above the surface of the soil. We eat the leaves and roots of beet plants. We eat the leaves in salads. We boil beet roots or bake them in the oven before we eat them. Stems. Oh, my favorite. I'm going to eat some of those later today. We also eat the stems of plants. Asparagus plants have sturdy green stems. The plants need lots of water. When the stems are tall and thick, we cut them from the plant. Asparagus can be grilled or cooked on the stove. It's delicious cut up with scrambled eggs or eaten with butter or garlic dipping sauce. Leaves. We eat the leaves of many plants. Spinach grows quickly in moist soil. When the leaves are the size of your hand, cut them off at the bottom of the plant. Spinach leaves can be eaten raw, dipped in dressing, or cooked in oil, and sprinkled with salt and pepper for a tasty treat. My favorite way to eat it is with spinach artichoke dip. Maybe not the healthiest, but definitely very yummy. Flowers. We eat the roots, stems, and leaves of plant. But did you know that we sometimes eat flowers too? Broccoli is a flower that we eat. It grows from seeds and has thick stems, but the flowers are what people love to eat. Broccoli flowers look like tiny trees. Some people eat them dipped in ranch dressing. Broccoli flowers are also tasty when cooked with water and sprinkled with salt and pepper. Seeds. We even eat the seeds of some plants. Sunflowers grow on tall, strong stems in gardens and farm fields. The center of a sunflower is sometimes as big as a dinner plate. That's as big as your head. Birds love to peck out the seeds in the center of sunflower bloom. People like them too. We dry the seeds in an oven and sprinkle them with a little salt. Then we remove the tough outer husk before eating the tender seeds inside. Baseball players like to eat seeds. Sweet corn is actually a seed too. Wait, I didn't know that. Corn is a seed. The corn plant is a type of grass, and the corn kernels are the seeds. Sometimes we cook the corn, dip it in butter, and bite the kernels right off the cob. Yes, we do. Other times, the corn kernels have been cut off the cob, cooked in water, and flavored with salt and pepper. Popcorn is made from dried corn kernels that are heated up until they pop open. So fluffy and white. This is making me hungry, and it's early in the morning. Fruit. Of course, you know that we eat the fruits of plants. We eat so many fruits. Think apples, strawberries, and tomatoes. That's right. Tomatoes are a fruit. There are many fruits that we eat we call vegetables because of how we typically eat them with things that aren't sweet, like meat or in a dish such as pizza. Fruits are the part of a plant that holds the seeds. Without fruits, new apple trees, tomato plants, and strawberry plants could not grow. To grow a new tomato plant, a tomato seed is taken from the fruit. Right, there's a tomato seed. Dried and then planted in soil. So there's them when they fall out. Seeds can be planted in the ground or in a soil in a pot or even a bag. I know some of you grew seeds. What kind of seeds are you growing? Let me know. To grow into a healthy plant, tomatoes, like all plants, need sunlight, water, and air. After the seed is planted, the sun warms the seed and the water softens it. Both of these are needed to help the seed sprout. The sprouted seed becomes a tomato plant, and after many weeks, a flower bud and blooms. The flower is where the tomato fruit will grow. So the seed gets watered and it sprouts up and becomes a flower. And then you can see right here that flower turns into a little tomato. Tomatoes come in a huge range of colors, including green, orange, purple, and red. Some full-grown tomatoes are small like a cherry or grape, perfect for 1 or 2 bites. Other tomatoes start out small and grow to be larger than your fist. The next time you eat a tomato or a cucumber or anything with seeds, remember that it's a fruit of a plant. In most fruits, the seeds grow inside, but the strawberries have their seeds on the outside. Look closely. Can you see the seeds? Strawberries are easy to eat. Simply watch them, remove the stem, and take a bite. Strawberries also taste good sliced over yogurt or mashed up and used to make ice cream. I ate strawberries yesterday. We had strawberry shortcake. Think of your favorite food that comes from a plant. Is it a root, stem, leaf, flower, seed, or fruit? How do you know? Can't wait to get me some corn. Look at all those yummy vegetables and fruits. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that story. We're going to be talking more about the foods that we eat. And we'll be you'll be listening to that book again next week. And we'll be finishing our chart that we started yesterday. Have a great day. I miss you.